Welcome to the Met Office forecast for the week ahead. And what a week ahead of weather in store. It's going to be soaking wet as we begin the week in the northwest, especially western Scotland. It then turns drier, but it'll also turn warmer quite widely around the middle of the week. Before then, it turns windy, very windy indeed across western parts of the country. Gales in places by Friday. This wildly oscillating weather, the results of a powerful autumnal jet stream driving across the Atlantic and picking up a conveyor belt of rainfall through Monday and into Tuesday. That pointed directly towards northwestern parts of the country and in particular western Scotland. Although through Monday and into the start of Tuesday we'll also see some wet weather at times for Northern Ireland, southwest Scotland. That will come and go. The wettest weather will be over the West Highlands and especially over the higher ground. Now, we've already seen a lot of rainfall through Sunday and into Monday, and we're going to see further rainfall just lashing it down into the west and northwest of Scotland throughout Tuesday before it turns drier from the south. And by the start of Wednesday, well, some places will have had 260 millimetres of rainfall over the tops of the highest ground across western Scotland, fairly widely elsewhere, 50, 100, 150 millimetres of rainfall. That kind of rainfall can cause issues, landslides, localised flooding, yellow warning in force. We start off Tuesday with some rain for Northern Ireland as well and some damp weather for northwest England, but it does turn drier and brighter from the south through the day, and by the afternoon, central belt of Scotland southwards. It's dry and it's brighter, some sunshine coming through after a misty start in the south, and it's going to warm up through Tuesday. We see this southerly airflow across the whole of the country. Later Tuesday, that helps to push the rain away from the northwest of Scotland finally, but it also wafts in much warmer air. A misty and foggy start again on Wednesday across southern parts of England and Wales, and a dull and damp start in the northwest, but drier, brighter weather is on its way. And these are the kinds of temperatures on Wednesday afternoon, quite widely across England, Wales, southern Scotland, 20 to 24 degrees. And even across the north of Scotland, well, once we clear that cloud, 19 degrees is possible. So it's not just warm in the southeast, it's warm, you could say, it's Indian summer-like elsewhere. Another largely dry day across eastern parts of the country on Thursday after any mist and fog lifts. It will be another warm day, 21, 22 degrees. But further west, wind and rain returns, and it does turn increasingly unsettled through Thursday and into Friday. Once again, we're at the mercy of a powerful jet stream, the result of Arctic air coming out of Canada, meeting tropical air over the Atlantic, and that jet stream reaching speeds of 170 mile plus across the Atlantic on Thursday night, helping to spawn this deep low, something we've got a close eye on here at the Met Office, because through Thursday night that deep low will arrive into the northwest of the British Isles, picking up the winds across many areas, but across western parts, especially around coasts, gales developing, 50, 60 mile per hour gusts for western Scotland and Northern Ireland, and in some places 70 to 80 mile per hour gusts are possible. Long way off, but it does look likely that Friday will be very windy and there'll be bouts of wet weather moving through as well. A yellow warning there for wind. The southeast, though, East Anglia in the southeast, largely staying dry and bright. Temperatures here, 20, 21 degrees. You'll wonder what all the fuss is about. But in the northwest, of course, we keep those very tight isobars throughout Friday and into Saturday. You can see these isobars highly concentrated across the British Isles. Very windy, quite mild with it, but there'll be further rain in the north and west throughout Saturday, whilst we have warm air in the southeast. It then, through Sunday, turns brighter, but also much cooler across all parts. So lots going on over the next 7 days. More details as ever on the Met Office website. Bye-bye.